guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you this makeup look of Jennie from their latest music video Ice Cream. So I'm like in total love with this look because of its eye makeup. Like it is so vibrant and so pop of color, and it is like a Barbie doll kind of a makeup look. So yeah, I'm like totally obsessed with this makeup look. So yeah, I've tried to recreate this makeup look for you guys. So I hope you will like it. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So you can see that I've already moisturized my skin. So after that I'm going to use this VLCC aloe vera gel. So I've just taken a little bit and I'm going to apply it as a primer. So mainly I'm going to focus on my T-zone area and then I will apply it all over my face. So after applying the aloe vera gel, let's move on to the foundation. So for the foundation today I'm going to use this Olivia liquid foundation in the shade 02 Natural Glow. So this foundation is perfect for today's look because it gives a satin finish. So that is what the look today we are going for. We want slightly a dewy finish on our skin because in the video also she has this radiant glow on her skin. So that is why we are going for a dewy finish. So I'm just using my damp beauty blender and blending my foundation in. So I will just leave around my eye area because I don't want to build up so much, like layer my foundation and concealer. So yeah, I will just leave my under eye areas and around my eyes so that we can apply concealer later. And also don't forget your neck. So after the foundation is done, I am going to use this Insight concealer. It is in the shade C1 Fresh Ivory. So it is a very creamy formula as you can see. So I have taken one shade lighter to my skin tone so that I can use it to highlight my under eye region. So just start by making an inverted V. And also I am going to apply this concealer on my upper eyelid. So you can clearly see the difference between both the eyes. One shade lighter concealer will help you to brighten your under eye instantly and make you look more fresh. So after I have concealed my under eyes, I am going to set my face using this Lakme Rose Powder. So it is a loose powder, so first I am going to just bake my under eye region with the same damp beauty blender so that it sticks properly. And also I am going to set my upper eyelid with this loose powder. Then just keep your baking as it is and just set your entire face. So just set your face very lightly because we want that dewy finish on our skin. So after I have applied the loose powder all over my face and neck, then I am going to move on to the eyeshadow part. So first I am going to use this SFR Naked Eyeshadow Palette and I am going to take this warm brown shade. I'll be using this fluffy blending brush and I am going to take that warm brown shade and I will apply it on my entire eyelid. So apply very lightly to just warm up your upper eyelid. Repeat on the other side as well. So you can see that I have applied very little. Next I am going to use this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette in the shade 02. So this single palette has all the shades which we require today. So first I am going to take this flat shader brush and then I am going to pick this blue shade from this palette. So it is a matte shade. So we are just going to take in our shader brush and pack this shade in our outer corner, like in the outer 1/3 portion. So take very little product at a time and try to build it up so that you do not make any mistake. So I am trying to place it slightly outwards as you can see in this video. So you can see that how I have placed it nicely. So after the first shade is done, moving on to the second shade, which is this purple color. So it is a dark purple color. So again we are taking a flat shader brush and going to apply that dark purple shade in my middle third of eyelid. So again just pack this shade little by little. So if you use like a makeup fixer on your eyeshadow brush, the color will pop more. But I am not going to use any makeup fixer because I want this look to be very soft and recreatable for everyday life. Then I'm going to pick this soft pink shade from the same palette and I'm going to apply this in my inner third. So just place this shade as it is because we are going to blend it later on. So after I'm done with the soft pink shade, next I'm going to use this light purple shade, like a lavender sort of a color, and I'm going to pick this up on my small shader brush and I'm going to pack in my inner corners. So while applying in the inner corners, just squeeze your eyes a little bit and it will give you like a V kind of a shape. So it will be easy to apply that way. And also apply that lavender shade halfway through your lower eyelid. Next I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to dip it in warm brown shade and I'm going to just smoke out my lower lash line so that everything looks very soft and there is no harsh line in between. Next I'm going to use this clean fluffy brush and I'm going to just blend everything properly. So do it very softly, do not apply any pressure. Then I'm also going to take that warm brown shade or this skin color shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease line so there is no harsh edges. So after I've blended everything properly, I will repeat this on the other eye as well. And I've completed both my eyes, so this is how it is looking so far. And trust me guys, this look is going to be very pretty. After that I'm going to use this Lakme Insta Liner. So I will suggest you to use a liquid eyeliner for this look because it will help you achieve that precise line, like a very thin wing eyeliner which we want for this look. And also do not make your wing very dramatic or big, just make it as simple as you can. So one side of the liner is complete, so I will repeat this on the other side as well. So both my eyes are complete. Next I am going to use this mascara. So the mascara is by Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. So I am going to coat my upper and lower lashes with this mascara at least 2 times so that my lashes stay in place and my eyes look open. So after applying the mascara, let's move on to the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I am going to use this Miss Claire eyebrow pencil in the shade 03 medium brown. And I am just going to fill in my spars. Then with the help of a spoolie, just straighten out your eyebrows. So after I have done with most of my eyeshadow, then I am going to just dust off the baking and also the fallouts from the eyeshadow. Next I am going to use this warm eyeshadow from the same palette and taking this angle brush and just slightly contouring my face. Remember guys, just blend everything properly because we want that soft look on our face. So after I have done with the contouring, I am going to use this lipstick by Oriflame. It is in the shade Flamingo Fuchsia. So it is a very pop color, like a very neon pink sort of a color. So I am just going to dab it on my lips to just slightly get the tint of it. And then I am going to use this lip gloss. And then I am going to just top my lipstick with this lip gloss so that it adds that shine to my lips. Next I am going to use this blush by SFR Colors. It is in the shade 02 and I am going to take a fluffy brush and I am going to apply this blush on my cheeks and little bit on my nose. So I am just going to use a little bit over here so that it looks like a glow from within. Next, for highlighting my face, I am going to use this Malio Instant Glow Shimmer Bricks. So I am going to mix this 2 shades, which is this champagne shade and other one is this pink shimmer shade. And I am going to apply this on the high points of my face using this fan brush. Next I am going to use this small precise brush and I am going to take this pink shimmer shade and I am going to apply it in my inner corners to highlight them. So after we have done with the makeup, moving on to the hair. So for the hair, I have just straightened my hair. So this hairstyle is very simple. You just need to side part your hair and then take the remaining portion from front and tie it like a half up ponytail. So I'm using this lavender color hair tie so that it goes well with my outfit and my look. Next, for the side bangs, I'm just going to simply secure it behind my ear using a bobby pin. Next, I've also straightened my hair once again and also curled it from bottom. So now the hair and makeup is done. Time to accessorize the look. So for that I'm going to use this similar color ear top. So this is what I got. And also I've painted my nails in different colors of pink and purple. So this is how the complete look looks like. So I hope you will like this look because I'm in total love with this look, with this pop of eye color and this hairstyle. Because this hairstyle is very simple to create but it is also looking pretty at the same time. So I've tried my best to keep this look as simple as I can and also recreatable for you guys. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also please comment down below like who are also obsessed with that song just like me, because I'm totally in love with that song. That song is so freaking good and like I'm listening it on repeat all day. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in next video. Till then, bye.